Want to know how to add parallel processing to your files in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So it's super simple and just under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Cursor AI application. So we have also created similar videos regarding Cursor AI on how to use it and how to convert codes to various formats, so make sure to watch it. So once you're here, you can just simply select the entire code by selecting Ctrl+A right here. And now once I've selected Ctrl+A, here you can see quick edit, just simply like that. And now once I've selected quick edit, just simply type in this prompt on the prompt box. Now just simply select enter, and now once I've selected enter, as you can see right here, the parallel processing should start up and it should edit your code just like this. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of the similar videos. See you in the next one.